Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a profile on Disney Plus. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to enter your credentials to log in. Now, once you are logged into your account, in order to delete any profile, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Edit Profiles. From the Edit Profile menu, tap on the edit icon underneath the profile that you want to delete and then scroll down and you will find Delete Profile all the way at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this account. Go ahead and tap on the Delete button and this profile will be deleted from your account right away. You can now tap on the Done button and your changes will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete a profile on Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.